Hello guys, today we'll talk about new phone is Google Pixel 9 Pro. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1, the body. The body measures 162.8 by 76.6 by 8.4 mm and the phone weight 221 gram. It's very light and have IP68 water resistant. Number 2, the screen. The screen here is LTPA AMOLED display with size of 6.8 inches and a resolution of 1344 by 2992 pixels and come with refresh rate 120 Hz, brightness reach to 3000 nits. Number 3, the processor. It is powered by Google Tensor G4 from the strongest processor. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, same thing in Call of Duty High, Max and other games with one from best experience, and the phone come with stereo speakers, system clear and loud, and support Dolby Atmos Vision. Before entering the fourth point, I hope you don't forget to do like and subscribe, activate the notification bell. Number 4, the camera. The main camera wide in this phone 50 megapixel, the second camera 48 megapixel ultra wide, the third camera telephoto 48 megapixel 5x optical zoom. You will get a beautiful picture with by this cameras in wonderful colors as you see, and the camera record video 8K 30 FPS 4K 60 frames per second, but in front camera 42 megapixel record video 4K 60 frames per second. Battery. The battery size is 5060 mAh, a big battery with charger 45W charge 70% in 30 minutes only. Number 5, the price of Google Pixel 9 Pro is $999 version 128GB 12GB RAM, and there are other versions and their prices. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.